Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. And my call about Sandy Home Recipe. And if you say a potato egg puree for babies, where a potato, not a good saucepan. Now the 1 cup in water can. No one for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, now we do a channel. And then they can out share video. Then my race was subscribe. Now I share. Nti de wo be soni so na free na de si o we ya kusua ya no egg no wo be yi egg yolk no na wa ye de wa ma hye o ma hye kusua ni we na de si nchen na wa kwa ma hye we no potato no we na wo de egg no so a o ma hye na de aka egg yolk no. Please, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, and also click the bell icon to get the video we will post. One more share we know. Now we see in chain. Now after our saucepan, we share milk, 1/2 cup egg gumu. Now the potato no egg now our mash no. With the gum now feed the one mixing in together. So then they can out share video. Remember rate to subscribe. Now I share, now I like, and when my notification bell, see the video better once I can. Well, we know what can we just for 5 minutes. Potato egg puree and collagen and beer and what did wumpa. Emma and Kurani in kama. We bedroom a jano. No way German is wardrobe. Joanna was said, waiting the man cromania 7 months to 12 months going. Waiting the mom. A journey be a wedding wumpa. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.